Hai, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so hari ni I nak share dengan korang. I did this look based on drawings by anak buah I sendiri, and dia kata lukisan ni is based on karakter Mitsuki daripada Boruto. I tak tahu karakter tu sebab I tak tengok Boruto, but yeah, I hope I did this character some justice. Without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. But before that, jangan lupa, please consider to subscribe to my channel and share this video if you like it. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, macam biasa, first kali I akan tutup kening I. So I guna glue stick daripada Elmer. And then I pack loose powder by Pinkflash. And then for my foundation, I guna concealer daripada Maycheer. This one is code 01. Very white, okay? So I guna brush daripada Elianto. This is foundation brush. And the best way to apply cream concealer is by doing a cross motion, supaya tak ada streaks atau garisan dekat atas muka tu. And then I set my foundation atau concealer using the same loose powder by Pinkflash. This is actually a translucent powder sebab dia warna putih macam ni kan. Once that is done, untuk contour and shading, I guna MAC eyeshadow code Carbon. So I buat contour macam biasa kita guna contour warna brown apa semua tu kan. I focus pada pipi, pada rahang, sides of my temples, and of course my nose. Untuk area yang warna hijau tu, first kali I sketch out guna eyeliner or lipliner warna hijau. Lepas tu I gabungkan face paint warna biru dengan kuning untuk dapatkan warna hijau ni. And kalau korang ada face paint warna hijau terus, lagilah senang kan. So I apply guna art brush. And then I biarkan dia kering sekejap. Lepas tu I guna Ucanbe Spotlight palette. I ambil warna hijau muda ni untuk apply dekat eyelids, dekat inner corner, and also my lower lashes. Lepas tu I apply warna hijau pekat dekat outer corner and then buat shading ke hidung. Oh, jangan lupa dekat bahagian outer corner of lower lashes as well. I guna warna hijau yang sama untuk create some shadow dekat tepi mask tu. I panggil mask lah ya. I tak tahu dia macam pecah ke kulit dekat dalam ke, I tak tahu. So I guna warna hijau yang sama. And then I ambil face paint warna hitam to line the crack and also drag more lines ke bawah and buat macam tambah crack effect tu. I guna detail nail art brush sebab dia halus and also it's easy to control. This one takes few minutes to do sebab I ni slow kalau buat makeup kan, jadi Mia, jangan kacau. Kita ada tetamu undangan khas hari ni. Okay, thank you Jojo. Okay, kita sambung balik makeup. Eyeshadow hitam tadi to create some contour dekat setiap cracks tu. Yang ni I guna small blending brush, or you can use art brush as well. Art brush yang jenis kering macam ni kan. Then just apply and blend it guna jari. Untuk eyeliner, I guna black face paint tadi untuk create wing liner dekat outer corner and also inner corner. And then I create some art liner dekat bahagian crease as well. Lepas tu apply mascara dekat upper and lower lashes. And then time to apply this tanduk, okay? And then after apply this tanduk, I create the crack effect dekat tepi-tepi tanduk tu. And I apply this big lashes. Off camera, I pergi tukar contact lens. And then for final touch, I guna warna hijau yang sama untuk my lips color. Lepas tu, I guna warna hijau gelap untuk create some gradient effect dekat corner of my lips. And that is the finished look. I am so happy how this look turns out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.